Here's an example of a survey involving 3 different characteristics or sets. Suppose that a group of 140 people were questioned about particular sports that they watched regularly, and the following information was produced. 93 like football, 70 like baseball, 40 like hockey, 40 like football and baseball, 25 like baseball and hockey, 28 like football and hockey, and 20 like all 3. We're going to answer 2 questions by constructing a Venn diagram. First, how many people like only football? And second, how many people don't like any of the sports? So here we've labeled a Venn diagram with F for football, B for baseball, H for hockey. And we're going to start by identifying those that like all 3 sports because that describes exactly one region, the region in the center where football, baseball, and hockey overlap. So here we've used just one fact, the 20 that like all 3. Work your way outward using subtraction to get the regions adjacent to the center region. For example, this football-shaped region describes all those that are in both football and baseball categories. So in other words, that's talking about the 40 who like football and baseball. So if you subtract from 40 the 20 who like all 3, you get the 20 that like football and baseball but not hockey. Similarly, to get this football-shaped region, which is the overlap between baseball and hockey, we're going to use this fact that 25 like baseball and hockey. So we're going to take the 25 who like baseball and hockey and subtract off that center piece, the 20 that like all 3, to see that only 5 just like baseball and hockey but not football. And finally, to get this football-shaped region in red here, we look at facts about football and hockey. This is the overlap between the two, and it says that 28 like football and hockey, but we know 20 people who liked all 3 were already accounted for, so once again we subtract to see there are only 8 who like football and hockey, but not baseball. Next, we're going to move on to the outer regions for people who just like hockey, just like baseball, or just like football. You're going to subtract to get these as well. For example, let's look at how many like football altogether. According to the survey, 93 like football altogether. But we had already accounted for 20, 20, and 8 in the category of football. So we have to subtract 93 minus 20 and 20 and 8. 93 minus 48 is 45 who like just football. Now let's go ahead and figure out where this 25 who like baseball comes from. There were 70 who like baseball altogether, but we've already accounted for the 20 who like football and baseball, the 20 who like all 3, and the 5 who like baseball and hockey. So we have to subtract 70 minus the 20, and the 5, and see that we get 25 who like only baseball. And finally, to figure out how many only like hockey, we're going to look at how many like hockey altogether, which was 40. But we've already accounted for 8 who like football and hockey, 20 who like all 3, and 5 who like baseball and hockey. So we have to subtract 40 minus the 20 minus the 8 and minus the 5, which gives us 7 who like only hockey. Finally, we have one more region, this outer part that's only in the universal set for the people who didn't like any of them. To get that information, we need to recall that there were 140 people altogether who were questioned or surveyed about their sports that they like. Subtract the total shown from 140 to get that there are 10 people who were surveyed who didn't like any of the 3. So then to answer the question that was asked using the Venn diagram, there were 45 who liked only football, and there were 10 who didn't like any of the sports. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to like it. That helps other students to find the video.